Ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor to bring up stage one of Nigeria's finest superstar stand-up comedian. This man is funny. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Kaduna and then to Lagos, he has made his mark. He has stamped his feet on the sands of time. Please receive with me, with a standing ovation, ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Funnybone!
So the energy was not, was not encompassing. Yeah, because if you know me, you know I speak good English. All right, so Abuja, right? So right about now, yeah. So I'm gonna go back, all right, and we're gonna do this again, yeah. So when I come back, y'all make it loud, yeah. So I'm gonna go now, and I call myself. So when I come through. You understand me? Leave the house lights on. Leave lights on. House lights on so that they can see me proper. So I go now. Once I come, and I go just, you go just do like say you see your guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, he is young. He is single. He's not married. By the grace of God, next year he is searching. Abuja, make some noise for the one and only Funnybone. Thank you. Wow.
Mona on smoke, make this smoke come out. Now this can't smoke they on. Nine dino jump, climb tree. Off smoke. Ladies and gentlemen, good to be here, man. My first time doing a show in Abuja, and you guys turned out. Thank you. Yeah. The first time when I performed for this hall, I come as usher. I come back cheer. For Jilozagu, I come perform before people come. But today, at my show, when I sit down. So, walk. E-money, thank you. From Lagos, you come. This man, they always support me. If I cough, he did there. If I know well, he did there. If I say, Chairman, let's go Turkey, he there with me. And then they always go with his wife. No clap, oh. She don't carry and play, oh. She knows how Abuja gets the verse, oh. If just what, if you want to go peace now, watch. Honey, kaije. So she dey mark him. He's been marked. She no pella. You come with him money. You dey table. For a man now, you no go drop if I hear. Your money separate, oh. Now Abuja be this, oh. And now you now honorable. See, this country change they come, oh. For Ukraine, comedian, now president, oh. For this country now, club owner, now honorable. Musa, it's where we call you governor. No from out to contest, oh. We go vote you. I mean, it's changing. Oyibo, camera. Thank you. Oyi. Where you from? From where? Egypt. So, as I talk, I beg. Now you go spread body. Egypt here, Egypt here. We are the same. We are one. We all Africans, we black people. You people, sun make you yellow. We are the same. Where in Egypt are you from? From Cairo. You're from Cairo. How long have you been here? 3 days. So after the tournament, you come. You get visa. Musa is your visa. We go deport you. But yo, this is Nigeria, yeah? And yo, we're good people. Welcome, yeah? Welcome. Yeah. Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, my friend, the first to buy a table for this show, Nena. Thank you. Thank you. Where's your mom? How's your mom? She came from the States. From Vienna. Wow. Mom, how long you don't date here? You just come. Call Trump. Just. How long have you been there, man? 50 years. Your mom, 50 years for abroad. My mother is here. My mom came from Kaduna. Mommy, please wave. My mom is here. Yeah, wave. Mommy, stand up, wave. Oh. No shout, praise the Lord, though. Just wave. Don't embarrass me, though. Sit down. Sorry, I just want a man. That's what she did do. Small thing. Pray. Jesus is there here. Behave. It's not fellowship. No why you. Don't want my neighbor. Mommy. You see, mommy? 50 years. He born my friend for there. You carry me, born me for Kaduna. Where you get when they marry? Oh, God. You're going back after the show, right? Back to the place. Sorry. Natia visa. Just move. Go to the door off. Move. Ladies and gentlemen, my mom not born again. You know, some things where they must somebody talk now. After that, she can tell him, say, hey, Osama, kiri, what's your yoga? Eti. Go on eti ha. I'm on the eti. I'm like, Adam eti. Well, I'm not say for my mother mind, no joke, so for my mother mind, I be virgin. I be shocked. She tell me, say, I'm praying for you. I know you're still pure. My mind, waiting will go. Man, my mother washed me. I was a virgin till I was a virgin till 26 for a just boy with that cold weather. You are clapping for my virginity. Your own loss. My mother lied to me. Say, if you sleep with girl, who will be your wife, you get angel for night. Around 2 a.m. where they share blessings. Say, once they come in your room, see you and girl, who will be your wife, they will carry your lock. Pass. I enter school, year 1. My gosh, they enjoy. For night, I dey wait angel. Year 2, my guys, now kutu. Funnybone day. I dey wait angel. 3rd year, now I say angel, leave me. Oh baby, kill me. Can't come and kill myself. Dino, your son, big boy, follow your dad, come show. You did table. How old are you? How old are you? Uncle is asking you, how old are you? You're 17 and you did table of 1 million. Cross leg on top the other chair. You and the younger brother, 1 million, 1 million, 2 million. When I was your mate by this time, and they sleep. The only outing where my mother carried me go, na burial. And I don't know who die you, but I dey cry. Yes, I'm lucky. Nigerians, we don't appreciate our stars. Now let me do this here, not because they are my friends and they're here seated, but because I appreciate the. See, for US, if you represent your country, they will give you honors till you die. Can we please give a resounding applause to our super eagles? I beg. Come on. Please. I beg. These boys, they try. Man, see them well. Musa na captain. But Musa issue be say, Musa na joko. No, we have to now, give me balance. Any match where Musa captain us, we get issue with the referee. Because once Musa first verse, now outside the first come for him mouth. English now later. So once they blow fee, you go say Musa, hey, then do what? So ref will just give us card anyhow. But Musa don't really touch. When Musa never touch money, if you ask Musa any question, now one response. Musa, how are you? Fine. How is the football? Fine. The family far? Fine. This World Cup, are you sure you're going to win it? Fine. This AFCON that you guys now, you're home now, what is your plan for the future, as a star player? What do you intend to do so that? Fine. But a good guy, yeah. Please make some noise for Musa, please, yeah. Good guy. Good guy. Chairman, good evening. My first time meeting you. Madam. Fine. Wow. Rich men are smart. That's why the rich go the rich. If poor no take care, they go the poor. See Chief Ikuku. He know, say facially, he didn't get problem. See madam. No, now look now. Cameraman now. See your wife. No, leave Kuku now. Show madam. You this boy, where you learn work from? Were you aware that in your ex-life? See madam, she no fine. I mean, that's how it should be. What thing you lack, you find them for your woman. Person who short is an abomination to marry who's short. It is not cool. You marry who tall. Make the children for balance. It's all normal. Escobar, sit down. Now my chairman, I'm gonna clap for them. Escobar, this clap no be free. On Monday morning, it was my lot. So can we now leave? Can we now cluster here? Ike, I don't want anybody here again. Thank you. Just let them laugh. Cameraman, hey, okay, come, stand. Stand up this way. Stand upright. To my right. Be moving. It's not your show. Be going. Thank you. Keep it. Just, I know say shame, but just go on with swag. I say I send you. Oh yeah, go buy bread. Come, go buy bread. Who not clap for them? Thank you. Nigerians, I don't know. This is a comedy show. Let them have fun. Yeah. No snap again. Then after I come, you snap. Escobar. Thank you. I call you 48 missed call. You on the buy table. You can't come. You won't hide. Cameraman, snap him. For evidence, he attended. Snap now, no go snap. Stand up. This one, stand up on order. Snap him. Full coverage. Hit him. Escobar, smile. Meaning you enjoy the show. Smile. Didn't they laugh, Abi? He no laugh. Regulars, thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you. Come down. Oh, now they come. VIP. Thank you very, very much. See, this should not be said we no need now for front. Now, on a laugh, make us the funny. You guys are special. Good. But on our money, no, they do anything. So when I go hustle, none of you come for year. VIP, when they try. But these table guys, now their money, they say will they pay for hall, for sound, for lights, but we need on a laugh to support their ego. So I beg, when I don't get any reason not to laugh this night. Regular, anything when I talk, laugh. Oh. I'm a fan of P Square. And I'm angry that those boys chose, as in, how can you build a brand as P Square? And because of small family issues, on a tear apart, fall on a structure to nothing. It pain me because I love P Square. Yeah? Just boys, great guys, twins. Who know that song? If now you tell me what thing you go to your best friend. Tia me Kotioda, what thing you go to your best friend? This not party me, or me, yeah. Two brothers, songs back to back. You don't see them P Square. Two brothers, P Square, OCC. We run this the wrong way. Hook up in the club, give them my jam, give them my run with our dirty body. Yeah! Two brothers, suddenly. And you know, say the two of them, one they sing, one sabi dance. Now that one where they dance, Peter in swag, look here. Then break up. But even before they born P Square, God knows say P Square go settle. God don't see the fight. God don't keep song for them since. Let's sing this song. There are two little black birds sitting on the wall. One name. He can't say. Two sitting. They go come back. God even knows say they go be Igbo. God put Igbo for the song, but when I don't know say Igbo them. There are two little black birds sitting on the wall. Wait, one name Peter, one name. Two brothers, they must come back. Music don't hard though. Those days, once P Square do album for 6 months, now P Square get market. Now the band now, these boys, they don't know get swag now. Who's kid no get swag? The band. Wait. The band they tight towel. Make some noise for the one and only Coco Master, the band. You go just come. Cocolet. 1, 2. How many band? Me and you. Guess don't they die, yo. Guess don't they faint. Now they go call the band. Nigerians on a wicked oh. Thank God, sir, I go school oh. They will call the band. Am I on the pass kill me? Am I on a swag? Just play me a beat. I be MI. When I know how MI day. I be MI. Just play beat. Just instrumental. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the shortest black boy, Jude Abaga. CMI then. You know Taco? Ghana then no. Now once you call MI from the starting. Call. MI, yo! Kill it. Cause market don't hard. Nigerians are now wicked though. And you know, I feel bad. Those days it was easier to find a wife. Easy. Once you see your wife, you know. 85, 86, 87. My mother tell me, say, once you see my dad, something say, spirit. According to her, Holy Ghost. Because I want this Holy Ghost, the time age Holy Ghost say, now this man, love him, marry him. How many girls now? No Holy Ghost. Those days, once you see girl, just call girl. Psst. 80s, oh. Psst. What's the girl? Nino. Ask the girl, what is your name? Hey. I don't know. Where do you stay? Can I meet your father? Hey, I don't know, but if it's the will of God, who am I? I'll marry you. Okay, if you say so, see my daddy. Bye. Woman not look man for eye. Nowadays, do you know, all these guys, look them twice, they go look you back. Don't call you, psst, come, you on white, come. Do you like me? Toast me, be a man. Now the man, they, oh baby, I don't know. Now I will the shame for now, you know, but it's all good, Please, one more time, make some noise for E-Money, yeah? E-Money, make some noise. Yeah. Mommy, that my new motor. Now you give me. Brand new Mercedes. Formatic. Moto Dindo. If I enter the car, it will tell me, Funnybone, you're welcome. If I see Ron's girl, it go shout, one day, nah, ba. Obogo. Machine. But he not tell me something before he give me the car. All my life, I am a Toyota lover. For those who know say Toyota is fuel gonna full tank. They carry me from here to Lagos. From Lagos to Seme. From Seme to Lagos. You just say, Funnybone, take this key. This motor, na machine. Enter them. Fire them. This motor, boom. Fire. Do you know? I just talk about this can make you hear. I come your house today. Outside, 8 car. Inside compound, no space to pass, 14 car. Do you know? Do something. Junior, talk to your daddy. When you give me, I go find you something. All of us now one. Do you know? Surprise me. Look, you need to empower boys to this Kogi battle. No, it's small battle. We need motor to go more. Do you know not the joke? Oh, this your governor. You know well, oh. See in video. video so as in ready for you. You know, you need men like us. So empower us so that once it starts, winter motor. So even the time he say, this motor, enter them, match them, voo. Not the fear, match them, voo. I just carry the motor. Buy full tank. This is Abuja, so when I need to know Lagos to understand how this thing happened to me, because it invests me. So when I enter the motor, so from my head, I hear he advice. Funny, this motor, now machine, matcha. Now I start. Toom. You know motor way good. Toom. I hear the voice again. Funny, matcha. Now actually, Nyoko, voo. As I match him, voo. I appear for stadium for Lagos. When I check tank, na half tank. Now I call him, chairman, sorry, motor, fuel here, on a main leak. He said, no, funny. All machine. Sit down inside. Motor. Match him. I match him. Boom. I appear for my gate. Tank. Empty. I push and go pack them. Since that day, I never. Hey, money. You drop some money. Oh. Thank you. That's my time. Yeah. So. Igbe.